What is that?
Sophie!
Present.
Happy birthday, Sophie! Do you want to get some plates and some cups? I'm going to get you some pots and pans.
Yeah.
That's a lot. That's a lot.
I know. Huh?
That's a lot. Hot here. Not here.
We can pretend.
No. I need some.
Okay.
Maybe we could take one of the spoons from upstairs in the bathtub.
Oh, that's a good
and
idea.
bring it downstairs.
That's a very good idea. So,
But where would we get a pot? I might need a tea bowl.
Oh, we've got plates in here, don't we? Sophie, do you want to go play? Let's get some.
I leave my rabbit in the cupboard. So it's nice and warm.